trade to try to get here into this zone. You know, again, I'm going to remind you, this first push to get here is a high odds trade. It doesn't have to work, but you know, it was a guess at saying, okay, let's zone for the push, and then take a little risk ahead of this known support from yesterday. And so if your entry is in this 01 area, you know, pivot area today, you know, this is the hope for get up above here, and the profit taking pushes us back down. And we don't have the same odds. I mean, the trade could work here and jam up 100 points, but we don't have the same odds, certainly from here, as we did for the gap fill, half gap fill. That trade was a trade that worked. Lucky guess. And if you reacted and said, okay, profit taking, then we come right back down and we're under here, we're flattening out. Look at this. This has been a steep trajectory. Now what we know is we're starting to flatten out a bit. That's all. That's all we know. So most important on a day like today, first of all, we don't get caught ahead of news. Secondly, we're going to look at the bigger charts to see what they're doing. And obviously, we're going to play with conservative nature, because every short that has said, hey, today's the day, is, you know, obviously been wrong. So the trend is still up. We're not going to overthink things, and we're going to hit and run and grab a few pieces of it here and there. So anybody that's, you know, and again, big numbers, psychology numbers, 1,500. So the RTH chart, you know, pretty important today, what's going on right now. And all I can tell you is just from the standpoint of the angels and demons, you know, this was a great reaction zone up here, that 1505. I mean, that was our demon. So this is where you look for traders take profits, and that causes that reaction. Can we get any more? Who knows? But already, you know, we've had a couple of great trades, so lock it up. Trailers is all right now, and keep an eye on time. So probably this 3 1/4, you know, we've said would be a reaction zone as well.